Okay, so hello everyone. My name is MaKayla, MaShelle if you're new here, and if not, then welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I quite literally have an hour and about 10 minutes to get ready, okay? Hair, makeup, or let me say wig, makeup, and clothes. I don't know how I'm gonna make it work, but I'm gonna try to make it work. So I thought, you know what? Something in me said, I know you're crunched for time, but pull out your camera. Something told me to do that. I don't know how I'm gonna make this work. So I'm sorry for talking fast. I don't even have time to redo that intro. If it looked bad, it looked bad. Okay, I'm sorry y'all, but welcome. What's up? So first thing first, I'm gonna install this wig, y'all. I'm gonna do a really quick install using the Aura's Grip Gel. It has been 3 minutes. Let's see if I can get this wig fully installed and start styling it before I hit 10 minutes of recording. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna shut up talking to y'all. Y'all already know the deal. I'm just putting a little bit of jelly gel on my edges. I mean, what is this called? On my forehead. On my edges, silly goose. You silly goose. You silly goose. You guys know that TikTok? Please tell me you do. If not, you guys are probably like, what the heck is this weirdo talking about? This wig obviously isn't going to be my most sturdy wig, okay? Install, because I'm rushing. But will it do for a night of fun on the town? Yeah, it will. It should. You know, it should hold up for that. Y'all, look how fast I'm laying this wig. Come on, ORS. Come on, UNice hair. Like, y'all better stop playing with me. Y'all better stop playing with me. Like, who doing it like me? I mean, lots of people, but I'm probably better. But still, who doing these little fast little insta? Like, girl, who doing it like me? Not me 2 seconds ago. I wasn't doing it like me. Look at me slapping this little wig on. MaKayla. MaKayla, you doing the thing, sis. Doing your thing, sis. Y'all, it's 9:42 and I still have to set this a little bit, but like, y'all, I kind of did the thing. Y'all, I honestly have been in a little bit of a rut lately. You know, they trying to take your girl out, okay? You probably like, who? People, okay? They don't want to see me thrive. No, let me stop. No, I honestly have been having a rough couple of days. So I'm gonna get into why. Not in this video. This video is happy, okay? So we're not gonna get into it. But like, I've just been having a rough couple of days, and so I have not honestly been even wanting to like get ready and go outside. I have not been. But today, I woke up. I got me some coffee. I ran errands. I socialized. Went to the mall with some people. So like, you know, why not keep the ball rolling and go out to eat tonight? And you guys, I absolutely love this wand for if you are like, oh my goodness, I need to get ready in like 10 minutes. Y'all, this wand is that girl, okay? First of all, this is not sponsored, by the way. I don't even know who makes this. Is it Hot Tools or Conair? One of the two, it'll be linked. But when I say this wand is that girl, she's that girl. Because one, heats up quick, not playing with you. 2, extra long barrel, so if your hair is long, you know, it's a little bit easier to work with than them regular dangulars, okay? You know, I'm gonna spray my hair with some Tresemme real quick. Honestly, could have sprayed it after, but oops, you already sprayed it. Okay, so my hair is like all curled and everything, and honestly, I was gonna wait to brush this out. I don't know what just possessed me to do that, but yeah, whatever. It's looking like I gotta redo some pieces, but I'm gonna get my round brush and finish. But I'm just gonna do my edges really quickly. I am using Edge Booster today, but I'm gonna finish my hair probably after I do my makeup, just because, girl, I'd rather go out with balm. I don't know about y'all. Maybe it's because I love like messy hair, so I don't hate when my hair isn't like perfect like some people do. That look okay. That look okay. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I'm gonna come back when I want to fix my hair because I don't even know. Well, this literally like this one piece because it kind of fell a little bit. My makeup, y'all, I literally have to do my makeup with no glasses on, no contacts. I'm kind of blind, so I cannot see my I could not see my face while I was doing my makeup, but somehow it still turned out to look kind of okay. There's definitely some places where I'm like, okay, you could have blended a little bit more, but like pretty proud of myself, if I do say so myself. Let's see. I don't really want to brush them out just because those pieces tend to fall the most. But yeah, so that is it. This is the finished look. It is just giving tassel curls. My outfit is just this crop top, some jeans. You guys have seen these jeans in my Fashion Nova haul, and honestly I'm gonna stick with the bag that I got, which is a tan bag, because it's what I got. It really don't match, but I gotta go to the car because I'm running super late. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the car, at least, or something. I don't know, when I'm on my way.
Nothing you